Hello, children of the world of YouTube. I got a lunch from Chick-fil-A. I got the, I'm going to show you. I'm going to do my first mukbang, watch me eat. Chick-fil-A. So, set the camera up here. Everybody loves Chick-fil-A, right? This is my first mukbang. And I guess you just take the food out and eat. So I got some fries. I don't want to get a paper plate. I'll just put this here on. And I got the 12-count nuggets. And I got a lemonade. Another fry in there, and they gave me 3 barbecue sauces. And they didn't give me a straw. Oh well. So this is how the people do this mukbang. Watch me eat. I'm gonna title it, well, I'll title it differently. Mukbang. Here we go. Barbecue sauce. Should grab me some ketchup. This shouldn't take long. I don't think you're supposed to commentate or talk doing this. So you're supposed to just eat. Kind of a dreary day outside today. It's a little cool and rainy. I don't know if you're supposed to show your food or not. I just saw a few videos where people were doing this. Lemony. I watched Lakia and Q eating Panera bread, Mukbang. So check out Lakia and Q's channel. I think you'll enjoy it. Chick-fil-A was crowded today. Then again, Chick-fil-A is somewhat always crowded. On this rainy day, they probably sold a lot of soup. Some people will have music in the background. but I haven't figured that part out yet. How to speed up the videos, edit, while editing them. And saucy. I should have got a milkshake. For dessert. Should have got a milkshake. And some sweet and sour sauce. Lemonade. See, why they give you 3 sauces? Because you go through them pretty quick. That's gone. Lemonade. It's not as sweet as they would normally have it. But that was good. That was my Chick-fil-A mukbang. Watch the old man eat. Appreciate everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching the old man eat. What's going on, children, in the world of YouTube? How's everybody doing on this Sunday? Time to go to church day. Just checking in. About to go to church in a few. And I found something in, what's the grocery store? Can't remember the name of the grocery store, but I found some packaged chips that I was looking for. And I got them right there. The Packy Haunted Ghost Pepper. I said I was going to give them a try. And when I was in Florence, and I stopped at the grocery store there, the name will come back to me as soon as not one. We got buy a little IGA and Piggly Wiggly and Food Lion, Publix, and the name of the grocery store just we got it'll come back to me. But anyway, I found the packaged chips, the ghost pepper, haunted ghost pepper, and I just wanted to try them and see what they tasted like, if they were really haunted. Stay tuned. It's Teeter. Harris Teeter, that's the name of the grocery store that I was trying to remember. So I thought about the name, and so yeah, Harris Teeter grocery stores. I found the haunted ghost pepper chips, and again, I'm gonna give them a try. Stay tuned. Packy.